Did this motherfucker just try to shoot us?
Relax, Katniss Everdeen.
This is not the Hunger Games. There's no need to shoot us innocent bystanders. We get it.
You're Hawkeye in the flesh, bro.
You got it.
As if hitting that water bottle consecutively wasn't impressive enough, bro had to show how serious his accuracy truly gets.
How impressive his eyesight truly is.
If I didn't know any better, I would think bro had the same sort of
Deadshot ability.
That Arthur Morgan had.
This is exactly why you shouldn't beef with people you don't know.
We don't know who this man could be. We don't know who this individual is with this bullseye ability. It's best to just leave things alone.